Welcome. My name is Mladen Baranek. I work in a small company, MIADRIA. So we were born in cloud. Company was founded in 2010. And now we grow to be kind of a global company. We have clients in more than 20 countries, and we are mainly working with retail manufacturing with companies of from 1 to 5,000 employees. We have some larger companies as well. Currently, we operate office in Houston, Texas, in Zagreb, and in Belgrade. So this is a map of our clients. Today, I would like to address some of the points that previous speakers mentioned, but from technical perspective, and I would focus on legacy IT models with client-server architectures where new possibilities are now open. So if you recall, smartphones, they started only 10 years ago. So iPhone was launched in 2007. So now we have a public cloud, we have artificial intelligence, we have a completely new setup, Industry 4.0. And this is aimed to show you what can you use from those new capabilities that are on the market to actually improve your disaster recovery practices. So a recent survey of around a few hundred companies showed that most companies are not actually doing disaster recovery exercises. So in last year, almost 1/5 of companies didn't perform any kind of disaster recovery exercise. And to make things even worse, most companies actually still use either tape backup or disk backup on site. So they do not have off-site backup, and they don't properly manage their data. So that is one of the issues that reflects in how much companies lose